Sticky Asian ribs on the Kamado Joe Jr. Stick around and we'll get right into it. From my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue. Let's season these baby back ribs from Rastelli's. They already came pre-cut into half racks, which is perfect for the Kamado Joe Jr. I wanted to show you an alternative way to cook ribs on the Junior that's a whole rack by just cutting it in half, or you can take the whole rack and roll it up, and then you can take skewers and poke them in there to keep them together. But I know there's a lot of different videos showing you how to do that, so I wanted to show you another way to make sticky Asian ribs that are gonna be so delicious. So our first base of this rub is my house rub, and it's our sweet red dirt. I'll have a link in the bio for you to check out, and you can check out the code on the banner to get the best rate for that month and deal. I'd love for you to try it, but it's gonna give it a natural sweet and also heat, which I thought would pair well with these sticky ribs because it's gonna also have a little sweet and heat to it when it comes to the actual ingredients for that sauce. So we took off the membrane, which you can leave those on, you could score it, but it was so easy to peel off this time around, so I decided to keep doing that. Mustard as a binder, threw in the seasoning, trimmed off anything that was unnecessary, and then we are now ready to put these on the grill grates. And I got the temperature leveled out at 250. So that's what we're gonna be smoking these at, and then we'll bring you back and show you how to make the sauce. It's gonna be so delicious. Let's fire up the Kamado Joe Jr. We're using lump charcoal with 1 cherry wood block buried in the charcoal basket. Let's fire it up with the grill blazer grill torch. We'll light it up, aiming for 250, and then this will get it up to temperature probably in 1 minute. Then we'll put our heat deflector and grill grates in and get this thing going. All right, so we're gonna take foil balls, put them here, and then we're gonna just put them on like this, and it's gonna give it that nice elevation. It's gonna give us a little bit more room, and then when it shrinks a little bit, then we will take those off, and then we'll begin to continue to smoke. So we're gonna let these smoke until we get to close to probe tenderness, but probably around 175 to 180. I'm gonna sauce it in that last hour, then we're gonna take it and sauce it. Let's make our sticky Asian sauce. This is homemade and inspired by Hey Grill Hey and Jess Prowse. I made a few tweaks along the way, and all we did is we put all these ingredients into a pot and we brought it up to a boil, and then we simmered it until all of the ingredients were coming together. And my friends, it smells so good and it's so delicious. So you can also you know, find a sauce that you can buy as well if you don't want to do the homemade route. But now what we're going to do is take these ribs. They're done. They've been smoking for 3 hours. The temperature bumped up to about 300 versus 250, so it sped up the cook, which is just fine. As I've kind of taken a look at these, the color on these ribs are fantastic. So we're just gonna glaze and baste these ribs in this this amazing sauce, and then we're gonna let it kind of tack on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll put on some sesame seed and a few other things, and we'll be finished and ready to rest, and then show you the final taste test. All right, friends, we are finished, and now it's time to glaze these amazing ribs with this Asian sauce and let it tack on for 15 minutes. My friends, you can let it tack on and then add some sesame seed to the ribs like this. And then if you want to add some greens, you can do that with whatever floats your boat. Well, it's storming here in Oklahoma City, and I'm gonna get to this taste test, so let's do it. We finished this off in 3 hours and 25 minutes after we smoked it, then we braised it and got that sesame seeds on it. Now it's time to do its final taste test. Oh my gosh. Yes! This is so good. I immediately can taste the sweetness, a little kick, but mostly sweet from that soy sauce and all of the Asian flavors just coming through. Cannot wait to go for another bite. Come on. Talk about sticky. This is amazing. Like, you seriously got to give this a shot. Well, that was some sticky goodness. You got to try this recipe. Put in the comments, let me know what you thought of this cook. Also, I have a ton of rib recipe videos, all different methods for you to be checking out and consider on how you can amplify your cook on any of the Kamado Joes that you might have. And again, my friends, I would encourage you to subscribe to the channel. We're doing a 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Once we hit that milestone, we'll be giving away a Kamado Joe solo stove, my rub, and a few other things. So be sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and also share this video with other friends. And from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.